We love to decorate our houses for fall, right? And you know, I talk so much about all the pumpkins I love to set around. The gourds, literally, I'm just sitting on a pumpkin throne right now. And I do, I love to do that. I love to grow them. But what's the big thing we all want to go buy in the fall? Mums. They're beautiful, they're perfect, they're bursting with blooms and color in the nurseries. And so we all go buy one of these mums. And if you're in a cold zone like me, I'm in zone 5, they look great in the fall. And then what? You maybe try to plant them in the ground, they don't do that well. So these mums that you find in the nursery this time of year that have the perfect mushroom look to them, that are bursting with blooms, these are best to use as an annual. And I set them around, and what I do is often, I will even keep them in their plastic pot. If you pot them up, they could retain moisture better, but if you wanna use a pot without a drainage hole, like this one, I just pop them in there, and they're a great vessel to use and to hold. You could try planting these in the ground. If they come back next year, they won't be this beautiful mushroom. They could come back sporadically and kind of over the ground a little bit more and not look like this. This is best to use as it is, an annual, and enjoy it. Keep it watered, set it by your front door, enjoy the color, and don't worry about it. But what I want you to know about, let's just say this is a PSA, this is my soapbox. It's my TED Talk, I'm doing it, is hardy mums or mammoth mums. So these, the first year you buy them, maybe won't look as full, maybe won't look as colorful. But what is great is, years coming, they do. They are zoned down to 3, zone 3, and all the way up to 9. So zone 3 to 9, you can plant these in the ground. They are so hardy for over the winter, and they get big. And we're talking 2 to 4 foot over time, and they get that beautiful rounded mushroom look to them. So if you want a mum that goes in the ground, definitely plant a mammoth mum. It is beautiful, it gives you that look, it gives you the same look as these do, but it comes back year to year and does really well and keeps a gorgeous shape. But it's not the best for putting around your walkway, for dressing it up, and for making it look fall. So for dressing up your walkway, your front door, whatever it is, definitely choose these ones that are in the nursery right now that are bursting with blooms, and also pick through the house plants. Sometimes I'm not a huge croton fan most times of the year, but this time of the year, this yellow, the red, the green, it looks gorgeous outside. It's considered a houseplant because it's a tropical. So during the winter, bring it in, enjoy it indoors, and then you can just have it year round. So it's a little bit of just some upkeep that you can do out on your areas that you want to dress up. Remember that these mums are great as annuals. They're blooming so well now. If you want one that does really well for year and year and year to come, it is going to be a mammoth mum. And believe me, when these are blooming, they look gorgeous. Look them up. They come in a lot of colors, so they're really fun. So it's just a little bit of yard decor, of fall decor, and ways to dress up your front door. So whether it's a mum, a houseplant, or a hardy mammoth mum, you can enjoy fall in so many ways. So that's my TED Talk for today. Let's go out, let's buy some mums, and let's enjoy fall. Share it around, tell me what you think. Or don't, just enjoy it. That's all that matters. Have a good fall.